Okay, so we are going to solve for x. So we have 21 minus 14x is less than, we need to distribute, so 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 4x is 28x, 4 times 7. So you have 21 minus 14x and is less than. So you're going to do the opposite operations. But we need our x to be over to the left. So even though the 28 is larger, we're going to subtract 28x. And then since we're bringing the x to the left, we're going to get rid of the constant. So 21 minus 21 is gone. Negative 28 and negative 14, we're going to add together. And 28 plus 14 is negative 42. So negative 42x is less than negative 14, 7 minus 21. And then we divide by negative 42. So negative 42 is since we divided by a negative, we need to flip the inequality. Negative divided by a negative is a positive, and 14, so alpha x, I'm getting my fraction, and I'm going to do 14 over 42, and we get 1/3. So x is greater than 1/3. So I'm going to plot an open circle and shade to the right. Remember that it should auto-populate that 1/3. If it doesn't, then you didn't hit check above. Have a good night. 24x, negative 24x and negative 9x. Again, we are going to add the 9x to the other side, to the left, and add the 42, get rid of it. So negative 24 plus 9 gives you negative 15x. Negative 42 plus 42 is gone. The greater than equal to sign comes down, and negative 45 plus 42 is negative 3. And then divide by negative 15. And so remember, when you divide by a negative, again, you have to flip that inequality. So x is less than equal to a positive, and we need to reduce. 3 goes into 3 one time, and 3 goes into 15 5 times. So that reduces to a positive 1/5. And so the easiest number to check with that is 0. 0 is less than 1/5. So that turns to 0, that turns to 0, and negative 42 is greater than negative 45. So that works, and the symbol is correct. Okay, number 3. Again, we solve these by calculator is one method. But to be able to do that, you have to understand how to solve it, because you have to know if you're going to divide by a negative or not. So let's go ahead and solve this one. 7 times, so we're going to distribute. 7 times negative 3 is negative 21. 7 times 6 is 56x. 3 times negative 7, and grab that symbol, is negative 21. 3 times 4 is 12, so plus 12x. So we're going to put the x's over here, so I'm going to add that 21 and subtract the 12x, and it ends up turning to 0. So 56 minus 12 is 44x. Is less than equal to, divide by 44, and x is less than equal to 0. We didn't have to flip it because we did not multiply or divide by a negative. So it's going to populate that 0, and it is a closed circle, and it's less than and equal to. Thank you.